I will be answering the question of how did my production skills develop throughout this project. At the beginning of this project, my production skills were quite basic. In my preliminary work, my magazine layout was simple and I did not fully understand professional magazine conventions. The spacing was not as I wanted it, and the overall design looked less structured compared to a real fashion magazine. The one on the left is my first draft of my cover magazine, and the one on the right is my final version. As I developed my final version, my production skills improved significantly. One of the main areas I improved was layout design. I learned how to properly position the masthead, the main image, and cover lines to create a clear visual hierarchy. This made my final product look more professional and easier to read. I also improved my use of color. I developed a consistent tropical theme using teal and pink in the first one, which helped create a strong brand identity for my magazine. But I felt that it was too repetitive, so for my final, I decided to incorporate some gold so that it can visually stand out. My photography skills also improved throughout this project. I focused more on framing, lighting, and styling to match the fashion theme. The use of the dresses in the magazine and poses helped create a feminine and stylish aesthetic that fits my target audience for fashion girls. In addition, my typography skills developed. In the beginning, I had chosen fonts that matched fashion and tropical theme and made sure that the text was clear and readable, but it did not look consistent throughout the magazine, and I didn't like how some letters or some numbers looked. Overall, in the second one, I changed them to be similar and easier to read, and I also decided to not make the bold outline as thick as the first one because I felt as it was taking too much away from the text. Overall, my production skills developed in layout, photography, color use, typography, and understanding of magazine conventions. My final magazine is much more prepared and shows clear